Imagine this. Every month, an extra $100 lands in your pocket. Not enough to change your life, not enough to make you rich, just enough to disappear. A few online purchases, a few food deliveries, a few subscriptions, a few things that feel exciting for a moment, and completely forgettable a few weeks later. Now imagine making a different choice. Instead of spending that money, you invest it. Just $100 every month. Nothing more. And before we continue, let's be honest. This won't make you rich overnight. In fact, if you're expecting a miracle, you're going to be disappointed because after the first month, nothing changes. You wake up in the same bed, go to the same job, drive the same car, and live the same life. The only difference is that somewhere in the background, $100 has started working for you. Most people stop here because the results feel invisible. After the first year, you've invested about $1,200. Not exactly life-changing. No luxury vacations, no financial freedom, no dramatic transformation. And that's why most people quit. We live in a world that rewards instant gratification. We press a button and food arrives. We click a link and entertainment appears instantly. We're used to getting rewarded immediately. Investing asks us to do something different. It asks us to trust a future we cannot see. And that's where the real transformation begins. Not in your investment account, in your mind. Because every month you invest, you're sending yourself a message, a powerful message. My future matters. Most people spend money trying to improve how they feel today. You begin spending money to improve how you'll feel tomorrow, month after month, year after year. Something starts to change. Not dramatically, not overnight, but slowly, quietly. You become more intentional, more patient, more aware of where your money goes, and for the first time, you stop feeling like you're drifting. You feel like you're building something. 5 years pass. You've invested around $6,000 of your own money. Assuming an average annual return of around 10%, your portfolio is now worth roughly $7,700. Let's be honest again. $7,000 isn't going to change your life. But that's not the point. The point is that for the first time, you own something, an asset. Something that exists whether you're working or not. Something growing in the background while you live your life. And then something unexpected happens. You begin looking at the world differently. You stop seeing yourself as just a consumer. You start seeing yourself as an owner. Every day, millions of people buy products from the world's biggest companies. But now, you own tiny pieces of those companies. While others only spend money there, your money grows with them. It's a small shift. But it changes everything. Because ownership changes how you think. And then life does what life always does. Something goes wrong. Maybe your car breaks down. Maybe a medical expense appears. Maybe an unexpected bill lands in your mailbox. Years ago, this moment would have felt different. Years ago, panic would have taken over. You would have wondered how you were going to pay for it. You would have checked your bank account hoping for a miracle. You would have felt trapped. But now? Now something is different. You take a deep breath, you sit down, and you realize you're not starting from zero. For years, you've been building something, $100 at a time. And even if your investments don't solve every problem, they give you something incredibly valuable. Time, options, breathing room. And people rarely talk about how valuable that really is. Financial security doesn't feel like a luxury car. Financial security feels like sleeping peacefully. It feels like not checking your bank account with anxiety. It feels like knowing one bad month won't destroy everything you've built. 10 years pass. You've invested about $12,000. And thanks to compound growth, your portfolio has grown to around $20,000. Still not rich. Still not financially free. But something important has happened. You've built a cushion between yourself and chaos. You no longer live completely at the mercy of every unexpected event. You have options. And options create confidence. Confidence changes behavior. You start taking opportunities more seriously. You learn new skills. You negotiate better. You think long term. You stop chasing every distraction. And slowly, your entire life begins moving in a different direction. Not because of the money itself, but because of the person you're becoming. 15 years pass. You've invested around $18,000 of your own money. Your portfolio has grown to roughly $41,000. Will that make you rich? No. But that's never what this was about. Because the greatest return wasn't the money. The greatest return was peace of mind, the ability to face uncertainty without fear, the confidence that comes from preparation, the comfort of knowing you're building instead of consuming, the feeling that your future isn't being left to chance. $100 a month won't make you wealthy overnight, but it can make you stronger, calmer, more prepared. And when life inevitably becomes difficult, that preparation may be worth far more than the money itself. Because in the end, investing was never really about becoming rich. It was about becoming secure. And sometimes, that's the most valuable investment of all.